think there's definitely that sense of pride in being a distance runner at Assumption. It started with the senior leaders, especially this year. I mean, the freshmen come in and they don't expect to have to lead. They don't expect to have to be, our #1 runner. They just kind of like fall in line and follow what the seniors have done over the last couple of years, and it's been working out really, really well.
All of our times have been improving. The paces on our runs, obviously our races and our workouts, and I think just everybody motivating each other. A lot of the girls, if you're having a bad day, they're always like, oh, come on, push it through for this next mile, and then everybody really helps each other out with that way.
Just being here, being with the team makes it all worth it.
The commitment that these guys and the miles that we put in, it really makes us better, and I see big things on the horizon for us in the next couple of years.
They enjoy the sport. They're fans of the sport. I have personal conversations with them, and that's really what they want to talk about. They just want to talk about distance running. If you want to be a successful distance runner, that's the kind of mindset you have to have.
The camaraderie that the team has. I mean, my shirt says it best. Everybody's all in, committed to the program.